Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to upholster a sofa. This is a great way to breathe new life into an old piece of furniture and give it a fresh, custom look. With a bit of time and effort, you can transform your sofa into something beautiful. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials and tools. Upholstery fabric. Upholstery foam, if needed. Batting upholstery staple gun and staples. Upholstery tacks or decorative nails. Scissors, screwdriver pliers, sewing machine optional, measuring tape, chalk or fabric marker. Step 2. Remove the old fabric. Use a screwdriver to remove any screws holding the fabric in place, and pliers to pull out staples and tacks. Step 3. Prepare the sofa frame. Once the old fabric is removed, inspect the sofa frame and padding. Replace any worn-out foam or batting with new materials. This will ensure your sofa is comfortable and looks great with the new upholstery. Step 4. Cut the new fabric. Lay out your new upholstery fabric and use the old fabric pieces as templates. Measure and cut the fabric, leaving extra material for seams and tucking. Step 5. Attach the new fabric. Start by attaching the new fabric to the sofa frame. Begin with the larger pieces, like the back and seat, and work your way to the smaller sections. Use an upholstery staple gun to secure the fabric, pulling it tight as you go to avoid wrinkles. Step 6. Sew and attach cushion covers. Sew the pieces together, leaving one side open to insert the cushion. Once the cushion is inside, sew or use a zipper to close the opening. Step 7. Final touches and inspection. Once all the fabric is attached and the decorative details are in place, give your sofa a final inspection. Smooth out any wrinkles and ensure all fabric is securely attached. And there you have it, a beautifully upholstered sofa that looks like new. With a little time and effort, you've transformed your old sofa into a stunning piece of furniture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects and home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy upholstering.